Olive from Olive to Craft. And today we're making red lanterns for Lunar New Year. So today, you're going to need red cardstock, scissors, a hole puncher, some brads, and ribbon. First, you're going to take your cardstock. I have a 12 by 12 inch piece of cardstock. I'm going to cut them into equal 1 inch strips. I went ahead and measured my strips earlier so I could cut straight. Now I'm going to start cutting equal 1 inch strips. Now you're going to punch holes on the edges of all of your strips. I'm going to punch my holes about a centimeter away from each edge so they line up. Now you're going to stack up your strips and take a brad and put it through all of the holes. Then you're going to push the two ends down tightly. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Now, you're going to fan out your strips like this. Starting to take form. Now, you can add ribbon to the bottom of your lantern. You can use glue dots, or you can ask a grown-up to help you use hot glue. Now I'm going to add the ribbon. And done, you can hang them up and have lots of luck for the Lunar New Year. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty Lunar